Every day we scroll through our phones, read posts, watch videos, and share information without a second thought. The internet has made it easy for the news to spread in just few seconds, faster than ever before. But while this gives us access to endless knowledge, it also exposes us to misinformation. Not everything we see online is real, accurate, or trustworthy. Behind every swipe and share, there may be a hidden danger, the danger of fake news. Fake news is a false or misleading information that is presented as if it were real or reliable. It is often designed to trick people, influence opinions, or create confusion. Because of social media allows anyone to post and share instantly, fake news spreads incredibly fast, sometimes reaching thousands of people within minutes. When people believe and share these false stories, it can shape how they think, how they feel, and how they make decisions in everyday life. This makes fake news a serious ethical issue that affects our entire society.
I shared a post without checking it. Later, I found it was fake. Fake news can confuse people and damage trust in real information. We should, we should learn to check sources before sharing. May good news ako. Pasok mamaya. Oo. Saan mo nalaman? Doon sa mga kilala ko kanina. Lalo mo na ito pasok mamaya. So, ano nangyari natin? Ano sa ba? Oo, nangyari natin. Bakit ngayon lang kayo? Okay. Lagot kayo, hindi kayo pumasok kahapon. May pasok mga kahapon. Meron? Pasok? Okay. Sabi dito wala. Meron. Uy, sabi pasok kahapon. Sabi nyo walang pasok. Ako. Hindi, sabi nyo walang pasok. Sabi nyo walang pasok eh. Sinabi lang naman sa akin nyo walang pasok daw. Sino ba nagsabi? Nakilala ko.
Sa kayo sa
Okay lang yan. Madami tayo. Pasok na ng klase. Nalala mo. Yung mga Facebook. Pinag-post daw. Fake news yun. Fake news yun. Nadala tayo ng fake news. Hindi naman ako. Klase ko lang. Kilala ko lang. Okay lang yan. Ano yan? Hindi kayo nakatake ng exam. Nag-exam pa ng kahapon.
And now we can see that fake news can cause fear, conflict, wrong decision, and even harm people's reputation. We must become ethical and responsible digital citizens in a world where information spreads quickly. We need to pause and think before we share anything online. Always check the source, verify the facts, and make sure the information is accurate. By being careful with what we post and share, we help prevent the spread of fake news and promote a more truthful online community. Truth is a responsibility. Be part of the solution, not the problem.